This short video is a little guide to help you find the quickest way possible the relevant information on our videos on our website. There are 8 themes by which the videos are grouped, and we're going to go over them. However, most of the time you're going to use number 3 and number 6. They have the names of the buttons in the software, administration, and dashboard. The first set of videos is about installing the software. This covers first-time installation on one computer, installation on other workstations, or moving the software from one computer to another. Number 2 is about setting up the program for the first time. That involves creating a company and usually adding employees, posts, and statistics. Number 3 is going to be detailed. This is where you change the setup, where you maintain the information in your database. So there are 8 videos that cover different subjects here. To access administration, on the bottom left corner of the software, you just click administration. If you need to add or create a user profile or an employee or a post, a statistic, or even a company, you can do that there. You can also modify users, employees, post, statistics, or a company. You'll also find some maintenance videos, resetting the passwords, and backing up your database. In theme number 4, there are 2 troubleshooting videos. About 90% of the difficulties you may find in using the software, for example, you cannot connect, you cannot sign in, or there are some recalculation issues, those are all covered in this video, and you should be able to solve this on your own. Number 5 is going to gather all the videos on the cloud features, so how to set it up, how to modify what's on the cloud, and how to invite a guest user to view your data online. Number 6 is going to be again the dashboard. This is probably the place where you will start and spend most of the time. If we detail that, on the bottom left corner of the software you click on dashboard. So in this series of videos you'll see how to enter values or quotas and even notes on different statistics. This is the place where you can view, print, compare statistics. You can also change the display of the statistic graph, the dates at the bottom, the scale if needed, and there are also wizards here for writing up conditions and battle plans. Finally, in number 7, these are a collection of demonstration videos. If you need in 10 steps highlights on what the software can do, or if you want a more in-depth view of how you set up the data, the company and the data in the software and what it enables you to do, just go to this series of videos. And finally, number 8 is a different type of videos. These are videos by the consultant R.T. Marin and are more geared towards the theory of management by statistics, not the practical use of the software directly.